The chicken have been seasoned from Saturday night, so it's all prep and ready to go. This is the flour. I'm going to dip it in the flour first. After I dip it in the flour, I'm going to put it in the egg. Yes, it's not much egg in there, but I'll use that. And this is the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to dip it in the breadcrumbs after I dip it in the egg, and then the breadcrumbs. There's not much in everything where the egg is concerned. I didn't put much in there because, you know, after using it, we have to throw it away. So I just use a little first, and then after I use the little, I'll just add if anything wanted, if more wanted. So this is where I'm putting it in the the flour. I make sure coating it properly so everything on the chicken is floured. After I finish doing that, I'm just gonna put it in the egg next, but I'm making sure that everything have flour on it. I'm shaking off what I don't want. So, you know, after you put on the flour, you just shake it off and let whatever on it come off, the excess on it come off. So this is where I'm gonna put it in the egg now. Yes, it's not much egg, guys, I know, but if more wanted, I'll definitely put more in it. So I'll make sure that everything on the chicken is coated, and then I shake it off again, and I'm gonna put it in the breadcrumbs and just repeat the steps from the flour to the egg. Some of it still have a hard breadcrumbs on it, so I'll make sure that everything on it. And I'm just gonna shake it off and put it in a plate, and then I'm gonna do the next one, taking off the seasoning, because I'm gonna use the seasoning to make the gravy. So I'm just repeating all the steps from the one before: flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Remember to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, turn on that post notification so you don't miss a video from me. Here everything is finished, so I'm gonna let it just sit there for some time while the pot is going to be hot. So here I'm pouring out the oil in the pot, and I'm gonna just wait until the pot is hot before I put them in the pot. So now the pot is hot and ready to go. I'm gonna put them in one by one. I'm not gonna fill up the pot with it though, because I need space for them so them can fry and turn. Okay, you know, when you pack it up, some of them take longer to fry than some, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not going to pack it up too much. It's a big pot, so it can hold quite a few. So I'm all through with putting everything in the pot right now. I'm just gonna put some paper towel in that dish there, so after frying it, it can suck up the oil. My daughter holding the camera for me, so she's the camera woman right now. So I'm just gonna pack up that container with some paper towel, and this is what it looked like. Time to turn them. Look how brown and pretty they are. They're well soaked. So I just love the color of it right now. So I'm just turning all of them. I know those last two that I put in is not ready to be turned as yet, but I'm gonna turn it and just look at it to see what's going on. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you think, guys. This is so yummy. It looks so yummy. I feel like start eating it now, but I have to wait till later when the dinner is finished. So thanks for watching. Bye.